Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Tanvi and I will be teaching you how to use and create many wonderful projects in Scratch Junior. For today's video, we will be doing an underwater theme. You will be getting two characters to tell a joke to each other while they're swimming. So let's get started. But first, if you haven't already subscribed, please do that now. Also, to support, you can like and share this video. Thank you so much. Now let's start. Like always, we will open up the Scratch Junior app and click on the Home button. Now make a new project. Since this is an underwater theme, I don't think that this character would be liking to go underwater. So let's delete this character and add some fish. I will choose this one. Let's add another character too. Just click on the same button and choose a different character. I'll choose this one. Now we have two fish. Next, let's choose a background. Let's do this underwater one right here. It looks like a real ocean. Now we can start coding. So let's start with coding for the first fish first. Just click on the above fish. To color your fish, just click on that paintbrush over here. Wow, I think the fish looks perfect as it is. But if I wanted to color it, I could use this. I will change the name of the fish to fish number 1. This will make it easier to tell the fish apart. Let's do the same for this fish. This fish will be fish number 2. Now, let's get the fish to look like they're swimming. To code for fish number 1, just click above here. Now, let's start with adding the green flag. To make the fish look like it's swimming, let's make it move right, then move left. Let's change the numbers to, let's say 9 and 7. Let's see what happens. It does look like the fish is swimming, but it doesn't seem like enough. How do we make it that the fish continues to do these steps even more? We can use this repeat block. All you have to do is go to the orange blocks and drag and drop this block to go around the blue blocks, just like that. Now, this is what's going to happen. The fish goes 9 steps to the right, 7 steps to the left, and the repeat blocks makes it repeat the whole program 4 times. That's so cool. Let's get fish number 2 to also swim. To code for fish number 2, just click on fish. Now, let's do the same thing that we did for the fish number 1. But did you know there are other ways to start your code? You don't always have to use the green flag. If you go to the yellow blocks, you should see this. Start on bump. That means when fish number 1 bumps into fish number 2, that's when fish number 2's code starts. Let's try it. To test if it works, let's make fish number 2 do exactly what fish number 1 did. Let's make fish number 2 move right, move left, move right 9 times, and move right 7 times. Just click on this white oval here. Now add the repeat block to make it repeat 4 times. Let's test it out. It worked as soon as they bombed. That's so cool. But I don't want the code to end right after 4 blocks. What if there was a way to make it run forever? There is a way. Get rid of this repeat block and go to the red blocks. You should see this repeat forever block. So when you're on fish number 2, make sure you're on fish number 2, add this repeat forever block to the end of your move left block. Now let's see what happens. Let's see. Looks like it's working so far. But last time, when the green fish stopped, so did the yellow fish. But it looks like fish number 2 just keeps going. That's because of the repeat forever block. So until we press this button, it will repeat forever. That's so cool. But it's not the end of this video yet. I promised you that we would have a character tell a joke in this program. So that's what we will do now. Click back on fish number 1. Like I taught you before, in the purple blocks, there is a say block. So at the end of this loop, or this repeat block, add the message block. Now instead of saying hi, let's add the joke. You can add any joke that you want. My joke will say, how do oceans say goodbye? Now let's see if it works. We just have to wait until the loop is done. It worked, but maybe 4 times is too much for repeating. Let's try 2 since we want the joke to appear too. Now we need to wait for a while before adding the answer to the joke. That's why in the orange blocks there is a wait block. Instead of 10, let's add 5. And now let's see what happens. Now we need to add the answer to the question or the joke. Put another message block and I will put in the answer. They wave. Let's see what happens. Wow, that's so funny. What does your joke say? I would love to know what your joke says. Please tell me. And now that is the end of today's video. Wow, we learned a lot today. Let's go over a few things that we learned. We learned repeat blocks. Repeat blocks makes your commands go again and again. In this case, we made our character go move right, move left, and we made the character repeat that 2 times. Then we learned about waiting. If you add the wait block, it will make you wait 5 seconds and then something else happens. That's really cool. Then we learned about repeat forever blocks. Whatever you attach it to and the things before it will repeat forever, or at least until you press this red hexagon. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or if you're confused about anything or if you have any feedback, please email them to me. We will get back to you right away. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Once again, to support, please like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you haven't already watched the previous videos, please watch them now. Bye!